Welcome to Your Knowledge Kit. On this channel and our website, YourKnowledgeKit.com, we share information about study abroad, work opportunities, and visa processes. Are you a non-US citizen seeking exciting job opportunities in Germany? Your journey begins with the German Employment Visa, also known as the Residence Permit for Qualified Professionals. This long-stay visa opens the door for you to work legally in Germany for up to 2 years, with potential renewals leading to permanent settlement. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of obtaining a German work visa, ensuring you are well prepared for your career adventure in Germany. Consider subscribing if it's your first time to land on this channel for more updated information. Who needs a German visa? If you're from one of the following countries, you can apply for a residence permit for work purposes after entering Germany without a visa. European Union, EU member states, United States of America, Australia, Canada, Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland, the Republic of Korea. For nationals of all other countries, a visa is required to enter and work in Germany. Types of long-stays employment visas. In your pursuit of a career in Germany, it's essential to understand how it is tailored to different professional scenarios. Job offer in Germany. Secure a job offer from a German employer. It is the most common type for professionals seeking employment in their respective fields. Ensure that your job offer aligns with your qualifications and skills, as this will be a critical aspect of the visa approval process. Establishing a business in Germany. Entrepreneurs aspiring to establish a business in Germany can apply for this visa. Whether you plan to start a new venture or invest in an existing one, this visa category supports individuals contributing to Germany's economic landscape. Highlight your business plan, financial stability, and the positive impact your enterprise will have on the local economy. Freelancer visa, designed for self-employed individuals, is ideal for professionals such as artists, writers, consultants, and IT freelancers. Showcase your expertise, portfolio, and a clear plan of how your freelance activities will contribute to the German economy. German language requirements. While no specific level is required according to the Residence Act, having some knowledge can be advantageous for job opportunities and daily life in Germany. Requirements of an employment visa. Before applying, ensure you meet these conditions. Get a job offer in Germany. Evaluate the equivalence of your foreign academic. Meet the annual gross salary requirement, 48,180 euros as of 2023, or provide proof of adequate provision for retirement. Start the application process by scheduling an appointment at the German embassy and checking the required documents on their website. Make an appointment once you have them all. Fill out the visa application form. Complete the form provided by the German embassy with accurate information. Submit your visa application. Submit your application and required documents to the German embassy or consulate. Apply for a long-term national visa for work purposes. The fee is 75 euros. Entry visa fee is applicable for long-term stays. Pay it in your local currency at the embassy or consulate. Arriving in Germany, ensure you bring all required documents, including birth certificates, academic qualifications, driver's license, and marriage certificate if applicable. Residence permit. After arriving, apply for a residence permit, allowing you to stay in Germany for up to 4 years. Cost of residence permit. The residence permit may cost up to 100 euros. Embark on your career journey with confidence and knowledge.